Namaskar everyone. Welcome to Prakalp, Fun with Hindi Learning for Beginners. We have been learning about swar, vyanjan, matras. We have learned that there are totally 11 swar and 33 vyanjan, out of which nga and nya do not have any matras attached to them because there is no word in the Hindi language which starts with these two vyanjan. So we have totally 31 vyanjan and 11 swar. That means 31 into 11, totally 341 ways of writing the vyanjan with their matra. So, before we proceed, let us try some interesting ways of recap of these matras. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive notification whenever I post a new video. So, let us proceed on the path of Hindi learning. I have made a cutout of all the matras here and I have all the swar as flashcards here. You could also write that on a piece of paper, but I prefer it this way because it is colorful and children might enjoy doing this. So now I have all the matras there and all the flashcards here. The idea is to keep the correct swar below the matras. And you can shuffle the swar and give the children. So here I have got the shuffled version, maybe I can shuffle it again. Now, let me see the first one. It is U. So I have to search for the matra. See, this is U. So I keep it just below that. Then I get O. And where is O? Here. O is here. So I just keep it below this. Then comes O. I search for O. Yes, O is here. I keep it below O. Then I have E. Where is E? Yeah, I get it here. So just keep it below that. Then I get Re. And here it is. Then A in my hand. And where is A? Yes, it is here. Then I have U. So I go and search for U. Here it is. Then is A. I have A here. Then I get A. But we know that there is no extra matra for A. It is just that the halant disappears. So we just keep the A here. Then is E. E comes here. And A goes here. So this way the correct swar are below the correct matras. I take out the I can keep it aside so I can see that all the matras and the swar are together. This is an easy way to understand swar and their symbols or swar and their matras. Placed all the swar in a semicircle and I need to keep all the correct matras in front of them. You can place it like this so that it's basically interesting for the children. They feel something different. There's a certain shape, a semicircle there. So you can give the matras to them separately after placing this. Then the idea is to keep the correct matra below the correct swar. So I start from here. I get an A. I keep it below that. Then I found U. Where is U? U is here. Then I found a E. E is here. Then is U. Yes, I got it here. Then is A. I got it here. Then Re. Re is here. Then O. O is here. Then A. Maybe I can adjust it here and then keep the A here. Yes, I got the A here. Then the O. O is here and then the E. E is here. It's just that it looks nice and interesting for the children when they look at this. This is another way of doing the recap. I have placed all the vyanjan with the halant first, then a plus and then I have placed the swar. And I have put an is equal to and I have the vyanjan without the halant. Now the idea is to keep the correct matra on the vyanjan. So I have taken only 5. You can take more than this. You can take more than the 5 swar also. Now, the ka halant plus O is equal to ko. So I need the O matra. I find out, yes, the O matra is here. And I keep next to this. That becomes ko. Now next is ma halant plus A is equal to, it will become me. So I need to find the A matra. Let me see where it is. Yes, I found it. So I keep it here. This becomes me. Now, the next is ra halant plus oo. So it will become ru. So I need to take out the oo matra, and we know the oo matra on ra is near its waist. So we keep it here, ru. The next is ta halant plus a. That means it is ta. We need to keep the a matra. So I take the a matra and keep it here. So it becomes ta. Next is na halant plus e. So it becomes ni. So I need to pick up the e matra. It's here and I keep it like this. So it looks like this. See, it looks colorful, isn't it? It will definitely be enjoyed by children if you make it more and more colorful for them. This is yet another way of doing the recap. I have placed the Vyanjan with the matras here. Like I have placed hai, dhu, vi, tri, sha. You can maybe take more Vyanjan with more matras. And then I have placed the Vyanjan with the halant here. So the idea is to keep the correct swar in front. So now I have got all the swar on my table here like this. So hai, what is hai? Hai is equal to her plus a. I need to search for a, and here it is. So I keep it here. Next is dhu. Dhu is dha halant plus o. Yeah, it is here. So I pick up the o and keep it here. Next I've got v. V is va halant plus e. Let me search for e. Yeah, here it is. So here goes e. Next is tri. We know tri is ta halant plus ri. So we pick up ri and keep it here. And then sha. Sha is sha halant plus o. Yeah, o is here. So I keep it here. Let me take out all these so that we get an idea of how the table looks when we complete this. So if you use more Vyanjan here, more swar here, it's easier for the children to make this up. It looks like a game for them, even though it's just like a small way of recapping, it looks like a game for them. You can try this and maybe they might have fun. Just like a strong foundation helps in supporting a grand building, a strong foundation in any language helps in learning of the language, in the betterment of the language. So I have tried my way of explaining and helping you learn the foundation of Hindi. So hope you continue practicing this, enjoying this, because in the upcoming videos we're going to learn about the formation of words. So please keep practicing, please keep enjoying and have fun.